लो बच्चों, let's read the question. A spherical planet has a mass mp and diameter dp. Okay, there is a spherical planet जिसका मास कितना है mp बेटा, and the diameter is dp. Mass is mp, the diameter is dp. Okay, a particle of mass small m falling freely near the surface of this planet will experience a acceleration due to gravity. Okay, हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? acceleration due to gravity on the near the surface of this planet. ठीक है, क्योंकि एक स्मॉल m मास पर इसी ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स को, इसी ग्रेविटी को क्या करना है? एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी को एक्सपीरियंस करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द की कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो द की कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन that the value of small g near the surface of any planet is given by capital G, mass of the planet, and divided by radius of the planet square. Okay, so this is the key concept of this question कि हमारा किसी भी planet का जो acceleration due to gravity है वो इस expression से दिया जाता है. ठीक है, और इस केस में बेटा हमें diameter given है. So let's solve the question. The G near the surface of the planet will be equal to capital G, mass of the planet upon radius of the planet whole square. Okay, and since diameter of the planet is double of radius of the planet, so radius of the planet will become diameter of the planet divided by 2. Okay, so putting here G will become G mass of planet divided by diameter of planet by 2 का whole square. Okay, it will become 4, goes up, that means 4 G mass of planet upon diameter of planet का whole square. This is the value of small g near the surface of the earth, and if a particle is now dropping, then particle will accelerate with this much acceleration near the surface of the earth. Let's match the option. ठीक है, this is 4 g mp upon dp square. Okay, third option is correct. I hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.